Another day of isolation. Trying to decide what I should start doing first. Besides getting this really stool unstuck. Got the dry shaft installed yesterday. Do I start on the brakes first, or do I start on getting the engine all the way together? I think I decided on doing the brakes. Ooh, shiny. Pop these front wheels and tires off and get started, I guess. Figured if I get everything installed for the front brakes, that should give me enough motivation to see through to the end, I'm guessing. So we'll see, because you know what's going to happen when I get the engine together. I'm going to want to start it. If I'm going to want to start it, I'm going to want to try and drive it, so might as well be able to stop. Yes, I have new tires for it. These tires will be replaced. Ugh. Let's get started, I guess. I had to stop and think about this for a second. These brakes, these tires, etc., don't look like they've had that many miles put on them. I know for a fact those are the tires my father put on in 1993. So there's a very good chance that my father was the last person to touch these brakes. I had to think about that for a second. Really kind of hits home. So I guess in a way I'm just picking up where he left off, because I'm sure he would have upgraded the brakes on this if that was a viable option back then. So in 1993, it was, oh God, it was 27 years ago now. Jeez. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable how time flies. So I guess in a way I'm doing this to my dad, so almost makes me all teary-eyed. Oh, the drum on that side came off pretty easy. This one's being a little stubborn, but you know what? I don't have to just take the drum off. I can pull the whole hub off, because it's not going back on. I feel like the biggest idiot right now. All these damn tools I got in this garage. I had to borrow a grease gun off my damn neighbor. I don't know where they all went. I know I had them. Whatever happens. Well, got both sides apart. Tripped over steering. Got the kingpins greased up. They were as dry as could be. Decided to just leave the brake lines hanging and dripping for now. Everything came apart relatively easily for, what is this, 60-year-old truck? 1959. Yeah, 61-year-old truck. Everything came right apart. So, oh, you can't say that about most newer cars. All right, well, got instructions out. See what happens. Well, so far so good. Everything's fitting like it should. This is Speedway Motors disc brake conversion kit. Uses, I believe it used GM passenger car calipers with Ford rotors. So far it's going together okay. Everything's fitting like it should. I'm going to hold off on putting the calipers on because I'd like to throw a coat of paint on them, but I can at least get the rotors on. As long as I have grease here. Hope it's not a reoccurring theme today. Let's go see if I can find some grease. Well, this is as far as I was able to get today. Brackets are on, rotors are on, bearings are in. Spins nice and smooth. Can't ask for anything better than that, I suppose. Not sure how much time I'm going to have over the weekend. I need to get my taxes ready. I'm supposed to see my accountant on Tuesday, so I might spend the weekend doing that. Probably won't see me again until Monday. Back out here, so that's where I will pick back up at. Get back out here, I'll get the calipers painted up, get the calipers and pads on, hoses, and lower it down and get the master and booster installed. See you later.